Ligolo no cheze, ligolo no lulugio, ligolo no cheze. Sanko ni igbomo, o sanko ni igbomo, o sanko. Chuku, come to me in USA, in all countries worldwide. Okuku, Calabash, Udo, Ngene, Aroh, Ogwugwu, Udo, fire element, red, Ngene bụ Ngene, green, earthland, Aroh, yellow, air wind, Ogwugwu bụ Ogwugwu, blue, water, to stand them up and skyrocket. I use male cow, female cow, roosters, hens. You can get mother goats, rams, 33, 22, 33 kola nuts to awaken and stand them up and skyrocket on all land, ocean, all space, sun, moon, all universe, all planets, stars, galaxies, cosmos, solar system, infinity, orbit. Stand up in Nigeria, stand up in Africa, Europe, Asia, Middle East, American continent, in Mexico. We use water, boil eggs, food, all that goes into the mouth that are good. Drinks, beer, cigarette, weed, food, fruit, to welcome all your powers, authorities, manifestation, moving forward, energize, and banishing negativities into our body foundation, science and technologies. Transfer to USA, based in USA NATO science and technologies. Transfer to Israel, transfer to Canada, transfer to Catholicism, transfer to Peter Seat, St. Peter's Basilica, transfer to Pope Francis, transfer to all churches, Hinduism, Buddhism, all religion, transfer to all Freemasonry, USA Freemasonry, all Masons, Freemasonry International, Masons International, transfer to Rosicrucians, Amok, transfer to Ekis, Ikanka, transfer to Oboni, transfer to all lodges, transfer to all Boy Scouts, Girl Scouts, transfer to police, sheriff, CIA, Secret Service, FBI, military, Navy, Marines, Air Force, Coast Guard, Border Patrol, and all. Transfer to security, loss prevention, bouncers. Transfer to Ally Universal Security. Transfer to all of money worldwide into our science and technologies. Move humanity world forward and work for human world, humanity, and destroy negative energies and negativities in the world. So Maribi, say, Peter, Odira, Nkwuaku.Sankofm, Chiefpriest, USA, Chiefpriest world. USA, cha, catch up.